Wow! Happy New Year! Ito lang yung handa namin, guys. San ka pa? Happy New Year! Mag-hotdog tayo, guys. Tapos meron kaming beef. Meron kaming pork longganisa. Like that. Yan lang. Meron kaming broccoli, eggplant, patos, marinated na beef. Yakiniku! Yeah! Yeah! Ready na!
Ting.
Itong aming Christmas. Nag-yakiniko kami, guys. Barbecue inside our house. Yummy! Yummy!